Hey, what's up? So, today our menu is how to cook Dhaba style tadka at your home. This is very simple to make. Just keep watching this video and learn how to cook Dhaba style tadka at your home. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. To making this tadka dal, I'm using three types of dal. One is rajma and the one is whole grain moong dal. And the third one is black dal. Then soak it for at least 6 hours. Then take the dals into a pressure cooker. Add some water. Add some salt. Now close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Within this time, we will chop the onion, tomatoes and chili. After 3 whistles, just turn off the flame. Now we will scramble an egg. Add some oil. Break the egg and drop. Sprinkle some salt and stir. When it is done, just remove it from the karai and keep it aside for later use. In the same karai, now add some oil. When the oil is hot, then add chopped onions, and saute this for 1 minute. Then add chilies, keep stirring. Now add tomatoes. And saute this for 1 minute. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. And mix it. Now add some water. Mix it properly. Saute this until the oils are separated. Now add boiled dals. And mix it properly.
Add salt as per your taste. Keep stirring. Now add some water and cook it until the water becomes little dry. High the flame. Keep stirring. Make it dry. Now add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. If you have kasuri methi, then you can use 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. I don't have, so I am not using. Mix it. You can see the water becomes little dry now. Keep stirring. Now add egg scramble and mix it properly. You can see it's thickened now. Now add a small cube of butter. It will give good texture and good aroma. Keep stirring until the butter is melted. You can see butter is melting slowly. It's done now. Just turn off the flame. Now serve in a bowl, and here it is.
So, how's it? This is very simple to make, isn't it? If you really like this recipe, then please hit the like button, share with your friends, and comment below. I would love to read your comment. And last but not the least, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button. That's all for today. I'm signing off now. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड पे. Till then, bye bye, take care and